What are we doing today?
Well, we're finish framing off that rafters. There.
These more from the stash?
More from the stash.
Oh, I'll stay over here. Thank you very much. I'm mostly okay. Screw sticking out. So that single 2x4 is good enough for the ridge beam.
Yep.
So, cool.
Yeah, we should think about putting some. I gotta finish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish screwing the
Rafters
in. I just got one screw in each place.
Oh.
So I'm gonna true them up, and I can put long screws there, put shorter screws there, and we'll finish that up. And then what I'm going to do at that point, we can either put the cross pieces in, and then I want to cut the ends, and then we'll put fascia on, 2 long pieces of fascia.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got to come out here and come out here, and we got to build our overhangs. We'll put the extra long fascias on after we cut the ends, and then we'll build a ladder on either side, or an eve ladder, or whatever they call it, just for the overhang.
Okay.
While we're working on the center, I'll get some boards and we'll put the ties in there.
Okay. Okay.
But I don't know if I got enough.
Well, see what you got.
I guess we gotta go like that.
Yeah.
And then fascia.
Or fascia.
I want to go across here like with these two, like this way.
Yeah.
After we cut them off.
Right.
And I don't know how many long ones I got. see what these are going to look like. Oh,
Okay,
I'll just
I got it.
screw in one side.
I'll give you that guy and I'll get you the other one.
And the eye is pretty good. Pretty close.
Well, you do have a good level eye.
Pretty close.
That's why you hang the pictures in the house and I don't.
Must be a bit long.
Do you want the level?
Yeah, I need a level. I want everything to be centered, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So, you go put your tape measure up here. 60 and 7/8.
60 and 7/8.
Can you give me that square, please?
Yep.
So, what we'll do, just to make sure that's square, we'll do the same thing, and then we'll put a chalk line across it and snap it. Okay. Okay, give me the drill there, please.
Yep. So you hook the...
Yep. Hook it on there, right on the line. Tighten it right up. That other saw, I think we've had it since we were first married.
Yeah, so that's 44 years.
44 years. And it's cut up a lot of pallets
And plywood and
plywood, and
2x4s and yada yada.
I think we got our money's worth out of it.
Mm-hmm.
How's she look? Sit, plug it in. Yeah, I think we could, you know, go like this.
Yeah.
All drill.
Right.
And, this might work.
Huge overhang.
Okay, I'll need the drill now, please. Okay, we'll put a fascia board over top of this.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm going to do that. We'll see. I like it when I left you said be careful.
Yes, I know. I'm the one bleeding, yeah.
I'm going to do a 10-inch overhang on the front here.
She jumped down, you know.
Yep.
Okay.
See why he hasn't used some of these. Thank you.
And that's why I stand back. Snow load, I guess. Yep.
Gable end fascia, right? It's just an overhang. This is going to be this is the fascia, this is the soffit area. But I think all we're going to do is put bird stops in here, in between, 2x4s in between. Got to be an open rafter. I mean, if you're building a house, you'd put a nice, you'd cut these on an angle like this, so they're vertical, and then you'd put a ledger here and then put a soffit in there.
For ventilation, okay.